Hey all, it's Aaron here from Stratos AI. I've got a very important video for you today. It was OpenAI's Dev Day 2025 where OpenAI released what the roadmap is for the future, what updates they're bringing now, and it has just blown our minds. Everything that we've been saying over the past 6 months, a year, about where AI is heading, specifically where Chat GPT is heading, is now here. Now that we're here, where on earth does the future go? What does the future look like? This gives us a signal and inkling into where we're heading, but I want to break down the product developments with you live. So let's quickly jump on here. So OpenAI, it's the best time in history to be a builder. This year, we introduced the next generation of tools and models to help developers code faster, build agents more reliably, and scale their apps in Chat GPT. So if we look at their product announcements here, we're going to explore these one by one. Firstly, chat with apps directly in Chat GPT and build them with the apps SDK in preview. Now, what does this mean? Here we go. Let's break it down. Research use cases. So what we can do now is connect our apps and we can talk with Chat GPT, which will be our portal to all these different apps. For example, let's say I use Canva on a daily basis. Let's say I use some form of software to learn about courses. I can connect all these to ChatGPT, and within ChatGPT, without going to these individual apps, I can draw content. I can bring that content of that app into ChatGPT. So what I mean is you don't have to log into 5 different places. ChatGPT. That's how significant this is. Let's take a look here. Today we're introducing a new generation of apps you can chat with right inside ChatGPT. So they fit naturally into conversation. You can discover them when ChatGPT suggests one at the right time or calling them by name. So I can say in ChatGPT, hey, Canva, can you create this XYZ? For ChatGPT users, apps meet you in the chat and adapt to your context to help you create, learn, and do more. For developers, building with that app's SDK makes it possible to reach 800 million ChatGPT users at the right time. Do you know how significant this is for somebody that is a builder? You can build an app that is specific to your use case with knowledge that you have. And when someone's asking for that within ChatGPT on the other side of the world, your app gets recommended to 800 million users, soon to be a billion, soon to be 2 billion, soon to be 3 billion. Do you understand how powerful this is? Think about if you have a business, you have to go out there and find a customer. People using AI, the customer comes to us. And don't worry about customer and saturation, because your unique wisdom may be in gardening, in some form of nutrition, in some form of culture or meditation or mindset. That app can get recommended within the chat. This is ridiculous, and this opens up an entire wave of new revenue. So right now, our pilot partners are Booking.com, Canva, Coursera, Figma, Expedia, Spotify, and Zillow. So I can literally log into my Booking.com via ChatGPT and just be like, hey, find me apartments that suit me and my wife based on everything you know about me with our chat history. Where do you recommend for us to go? Find something with £1,000 for a week or whatever it is. So one, it's huge for the companies that exist already out there, and two, it is ridiculously huge for builders like you and me. Incredible. The next product announcement from ChatGPT, which is blown 99% of AI automation agencies just out the water, they no longer exist. Okay. Agent Kit. You can build AI agents within ChatGPT. So when somebody was on Instagram, I saw somebody posing in a Lamborghini. They were driving around in Dubai saying, I sold an AI automation to a business for 15 or 20,000 pounds. That's no longer the case. Why the hell is somebody going to pay you to build a simple automation on make.com, which took you apparently 15 minutes? You made £50,000 or £20,000. You can now do this through ChatGPT. We can now build agents within ChatGPT. Do you understand how big this is? Today we're launching Agent Kit, a complete set of tools for developers and enterprises to build, deploy, and optimize agents. Until now, building agents meant juggling fragmented tools. Now we can connect our various apps and we can have AI do things for us within ChatGPT. So for here, we can see an example of a customer service bot. There's a start point, there's a jailbreak guardrail, classification, and if else, there's logic here. So what this means for those of you who aren't technological, you could have, maybe let's say you get 100 inquiries into your inbox every single day, right? Into a work email or your business email. You can create an AI employee to manage your inbox. It can take, reply, and forward on emails on your behalf, all on autopilot. And that's scratching the surface of it. You can more than likely update CRMs and do all the other fancy stuff as well. As you can see, I'm pretty blown away with what we see because we've had this huge hype of make.com, NA10, all these no-code tools that are blowing up and people are building businesses on top of these platforms. But an update like this has just come and quashed a lot of that. Insane. AI agent builders allow us to orchestrate agents in a whole new way with engineers and subject matter experts collaborating all on one interface. We built our first multi-agentic workflow and ran it in less than 2 hours, dramatically accelerating the time to create and deploy agents. Wow. This is where we're at right now. This is why AI is so fast moving, you just don't know which way it's going to go. It's the blessing and the curse, it really is. Sora 2's broken the internet for the past 2 days, and it's clear to see why. It's only available in the US at the moment unless you have a code. But some of the things that I'm seeing that are coming out of it. Let's take a look at this. Sora 2 just broke the internet overnight, and you can see why. The video quality is amazing. I cannot wait for it to come to the UK. And this is, again, all available within Chat GPT. So not only can we now start connecting apps and selling our own apps through Chat GPT, not only can we start building our own agents through Chat GPT, but we can now also create Hollywood effect videos using Sora 2. Insane. Of course, we have ChatGPT Pro coming as well, which is, it wasn't too long ago that we just had ChatGPT 4 and it was like the best thing ever. 5 got released, there were some bugs, but they've since kind of tweaked that and made that right. It's just, where are we going here? This update is blowing my mind. It is insane. Here's my words of advice for people. I'm going to put you into different buckets here. If you're in a career and you know that it's susceptible to AI coming in, you have to move yesterday on understanding where AI fits in the business, in the industry, and get ahead of the curve. You will never get ahead of AI. That's not going to happen. But what you can do is get ahead in terms of positioning yourself in your career, because this has just solidified. This is a train that is not going to be stopped. Okay, that's number one. If you're in careers, if you're in a business, it is the best time to be in business. We are seeing this emergence of a new industry which will overtake probably every industry we've ever known in history. That's a big statement, but that is the fact. AI is intertwined into every little thing that we do. We are connecting our apps into it. We are building on it. We are making sales through it. We are making our payments through it. It's everything. It's all knowing. It's all seeing. It's changing everything. If you're a business, learn how to use AI within your business. Learn how to use AI to drive growth, drive revenue, drive profits, drive innovation, and just absolutely crush your competition. If you're an enthusiast, if you're someone that loves your side hustles, there is no other perfect time to do this. You want something coded, you can get it done. Get Claude Code, do it through Chat GPT. You can code an app overnight. easy. You can launch it onto App Store, Google Play Store, and start getting users. If you want to sell something, maybe a Shopify product, you can have AI generate all your video content, go viral on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, and you can make sales like this. Before, what you used to have to do, if you have maybe a skincare product range, you can make product mock-ups now, fancy videos. You can create UGC style content using AI avatars, so user generated content. You can just have AI do it. Okay, so AI can be holding your little product here and be like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever, la la la. That's where we're up to right now. How powerful is that? That one technology has allowed us to achieve all of this, and it's just 2025. It's just 2025. What's going to happen over the next year or two? I don't know. Sam Altman said we cannot see past, I think it was 2035. We can't see past it. We don't know what life looks like. We have no idea. AI has changed everything. An important update. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you took a lot away from it. I hope you got inspired by it. That is the key. Now I'm going to watch the rest of this, and I will catch you in the next one.